the top with a bit of onion gravy. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making a bacon and onion roly poly, or a bacon and onion clanger. It depends what you know it by. It's very easy to make. Now I make it a little bit different to some people. I actually pre-cook a little bit of the ingredients before we put it in the pastry. But you know, this is a Suet pastry. It's a fantastic traditional type meal which has been around for a long time in the UK. So let's show you how to do it. And it starts with making some Suet pastry. And in here I have self-raising flour. I'm going to go in there with our Suet. Now I do appreciate that some people can't get Suet around the world. But you know, you can search it online and there are plenty of places online. Anyhow, we need to get this in here and we need to make it into breadcrumbs. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt. Nice finger and thumbs through there. The usual, just lift slightly and give it a little bit of a rubbing. Just going to get that fully incorporated in there. And all we're going to do now is take some water. I'm going to put a little bit of water in there and we're going to try and bring it together. Now, the water, I'll give you a rough estimate, you know. It's normally half the water to the flour, roughly, but not always. Depends where you are, where you're cooking in the world, above sea level and all that carry on. But for the measurements in here, this wants about 120 mils of water. So let's see if we can bring that together. A little bit more in there, look. I think that's pretty good dough. That looks fantastic. Now you can put it in the fridge to cool down if you so wish. I'm not going to bother. I'm going to leave it on the side. We're going to crack on and make this roly poly. Many schools of thought, you can do it whichever way you want. Right, in here, this is bacon bits. Now, yes, you know I already made my own bacon, but this is bacon bits from the shop. To me, there's no point in getting a load of rashers of bacon and chopping them all up unless you can't get bacon bits. The bacon bits are already chopped up, they're perfect. However, we do fry them off. We fry them off a little bit because these contain water and we don't want all that water in our roly poly when we make it. So it's a nice steady way this, got a flame on. Now you can use a touch of oil if you so wish, and I will, but not much. We don't want to oil up everything, but we just want to get that moisture out of this bacon. So get that, you can see it there, look. Get the bacon in. Now we're not trying to cook this fully, we just want to get a bit of moisture out of there. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of moisture already forming in this pan. There, as you can see in there, look at all that water. You know, that's a huge problem with store-bought bacon. If you make bacon yourself, you do not exceed 10% water. I have no idea what they put in when they're making it commercially. Probably 25% looking at that lot. Look at that. So that's just a good tip for you, you know. A lot of people just put the raw bacon and the onions in, but then they get a real soggy centre. And a suet pudding, even if you bake it like I'm going to do today, still soft and soggy-ish in the middle. So if you add that to that, it's too much. Like a waterfall. Okay, and then I'm going in there with those onions. Again, you do not have to pre-cook anything. But let's have that in there with that fluid. Okay, in there with a little bit of pepper. Now, I'm not going to use salt because the bacon carries salt. And as you can see, the moisture's cooked off. Flame off, job done. All we need to do now is roll out our pastry. Okay, we want to be preheating our oven. 160 degrees for this oven. It's fan assisted. It's an air fryer oven. 180 degrees if you're using a conventional oven. And we want to preheat it. So, 160 degrees, let's preheat that oven. Okay, little flour on the surface. We'll be taking our pastry, and obviously it's not been in the fridge, as you know, it's been sat on the side. A little bit on there. A little bit on the pin. Now we want to roll this into an oblong, okay? I have a tray, I have a piece of baking paper, and this will go on here. So we just need to roll this into an oblong. And then we want the oblong. Now what you can do, you can cut off your edges if you so wish, not a problem. And that might make it squarer. I'm not bothered because I'm going to clip the edges together, so I'm not really bothered what it looks like at the side, as long as we have that oblong shape. Okay, this is very much straightforward. We're going straight on our dough with our bacon and onion mix. Now, don't come all the way up to the edge. Keep it in from the edge. If it goes over the edge, push it back in. That's very much straightforward enough. Now, what you can do, you can put water around there if you so wish. But I've got milk because I'm going to use a milk wash. So, a little bit of glue around there. Then all we do is roll it up. Oh, we've come through there, look. That's already. Okay, now we want to be giving this a really good milk wash. And then we just get that in the oven. Oven on, we're doing 160, we're going for about 45 minutes. So we're going for about 45 minutes and then we'll watch it. So hit start. Now, you'd normally cook this anywhere between 50 and 60 minutes in a regular oven. And we might have to do this just a little bit longer, but we're not worried about the contents. The contents are cooked. We want to get a golden brown around the outside and let it puff up a little bit and cook a little bit on the inside. Now 40 minutes should be enough to cook in an air fryer oven, not a problem, but we'll see. There we go. Oh, just look at that beauty. That is absolutely superb. Look at that thing. Okay, it's split a couple of places around here, but it's not really come out. That is superb. Right, all we need to do is just give that a minute, and then we'll take it off there and we'll cut a slice. That is absolutely fantastic. Oh, look at this thing. Okay, we don't want that end. That's where we screwed it all up. But there is some bacon in there, look. Oh, that looks something really, really special. So we just need to cut a couple of slices off there. Whew, it's hot. Really, we should wait for it to go cool a bit, but come on, let's get in here. Oh, look in there. That is superb. Okay, we just want to cut a couple of slices and serve some up. That looks absolutely sensational. We just need to serve that up. Oh, over the top with a bit of onion gravy. Just look at that. Oh, let's get some mustard on there. All we've got to do now is give it a try. Oh, just look in here. Oh, soft interior, crunchy, crispy outside. Oh, that is superb. Oh man, that is absolutely phenomenal. You've got that crunchy top, you've got that soft, light, fluffy interior with that bacon and onion. What a flavour combination. That is superb. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.